Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today, yes, it's weekend in this daily newspaper of Saturday, July the 2nd, 2022. Yes, we have here an additional, the same as yesterday and the day before, seven extra Sudokus or puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Cipher block, aka tectonic, with 4 stars. And with 1 star, then a binary puzzle. Yes. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all today. Too much for me, time consuming, and yeah, I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. So it will be a day job if I do all the puzzles in this additional. So today I will do 4 of them, half of them. Those are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic, and the binary. And tomorrow we have no newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles in this additional. So 3 puzzles I will do for tomorrow. Yes, but first, Sudoku with 3 stars. Yes, Sudoku with 3 stars. Number 4789. Yes, 4789. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with more pairs or hidden numbers. Then you need a lot of time to solve. So it could be happen that a puzzle with 24 printed digits, less than this one, is easier than this one. Yes. So it depends. It depends. But for a 3 star Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 2 1s, we have 2 2s, we have 2 3s, 3 4s, 4 5s. Okay, so the 5s. 4 6s. Alright, 7s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 3 9s. So the 5 and the 6s are in majority. So let me start with the 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, no need to place left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the first row, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the third column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. How about the 6 then? 6. Let me see. No. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright, now it will be difficult. 6. Okay. Yeah. I cannot continue with the 6. Alright. Oh, we have 4 4s also. So the 4s, the 5s, and the 6s are in majority. Overlooked 1 4. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4. This should be the 4. Okay, in this row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. Well, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. There are 4 in this column, so no 4 here. Here are 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So we have 3 boxes left. The 4 could be here, here, or there. We see here are 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, yes, should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 4. How about? Let me see. 3. Yeah. I'm scanning. 9, 8, 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this row, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 9. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see a 7 in the second row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then. Let me see. Yeah. 7. I'm scanning. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. Yeah, 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes here. 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so no row below. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 8. Okay, so now we have 2 missing numbers in the middle column. For the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4. And it goes there. Now I can continue with the 4. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. 8. Then. 8, 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 9. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay. 7, 7. How about the 5 then? 5, 5. 5, 8, 3. I'm still looking here. 139, 139, 1. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes down. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked these two boxes with a 3 and an 8. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the third column. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And then we have a 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Alright. Let me think. 9. Here. 9 should be here. 9. No, cannot continue with the 9. 7. Yeah, 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the second column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the row below, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Alright. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, second column, so no 8 in these two boxes here, and 8 in this second row, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. Yeah. Now I cannot continue with the 8, but yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, last row, so no 2 in these two boxes, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in this column, 2 in the last column, so in the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. 1 box left now in the third row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 3, yeah. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes. In this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the first row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. One box left in the third column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. Then we have 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 8. Then two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 9 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. One box left in this big square for the final number, yes, the 1, the 2 is missing, yes. Finish in 17 minutes. I'm surprised. Wow! 17 minutes. Is this really a 3 stars puzzle? No, let me give this a 2 stars. Well, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle. The 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.